I know to be alert and ready for the next phase. That's where a big chunk of your yearly gains are made. It actually caused me to make one of the biggest mistakes that I made as an investor that cost me who knows how much money. So today I want to show you how to fix it, and it all starts with these headphones, believe it or not. Every day as investors, we're bombarded with information. You've got earnings, you've got tweets from the president, you've got what the Fed will do, what they won't do, what they have done. You've got reports on inflation, you've got unemployment. The list just goes on, and it's enough to drive you crazy. It actually caused me to make one of the biggest mistakes that I made as an investor that cost me who knows how much money. So today I want to show you how to fix it, and it all starts with these headphones, believe it or not. So let's get to it. When I mow the grass each weekend, I put on these headphones and they block out the noise from the mower. I can listen to my music and I'm focused. I can concentrate on the task at hand. And as investors, I think we need something that does the same thing. When you have all these headlines and news reports saying different things, sometimes even conflicting things, you start to feel like the market is chaotic. You don't know which way it'll go, and worse, you start to latch on to one narrative and use that to drive your investing decisions. And that was one of the biggest mistakes that I made as an investor. Allowing my beliefs on what I think should happen to affect the decisions on my investments. For example, after the market got clobbered during the financial crisis, it eventually started to take off. But I was convinced that the market couldn't keep going higher. I was like, no way, there's no way this is going higher. With all that stimulus and everything happening in the economy, I thought another crash it just had to be coming. So I was convinced there's no way this market was going to take off. Boy, was I wrong. So I kept a lot of money sitting on the sidelines. I kept my 401k in money market funds for, let's just say, way too long. The market kept rising and I missed out big. I was waiting for the market to prove me right. So just like these headphones, you need a way to quiet the noise of the market. You need to focus on what is actually happening. Now, I'm not saying that you should never watch the news or pay attention to what's going on in the world. But when it comes to making decisions about your investments, you need something that filters through the data and presents you with what the market is actually doing, not on what you feel the market should be doing. You're getting presented with what the market is actually doing. Let me actually finish this up and I'll show you how I do that. Don't want to forget the headphones. Now, the tool I use is called VectorVest. And I'm embarrassed to say this, but I actually had access to VectorVest back then, but I was too pig-headed to use it the right way. But now VectorVest is like my set of headphones for the market. It takes all that stuff that we talked about, the news, the headlines, the reports, everything. It takes all that stuff. And what it does is it gives me an unbiased, unemotional view of what's going on in the market. And if I were to boil it down to three big things, the three big things it does regarding this topic that we're talking about today is, number one, it tells you what the market's trend is right now. Number two, it tells you where we are in the market's cycle. Are we closer to a top or closer to a bottom? And number three, it gives specific entry signals for investors ranging from aggressive to more prudent. Now, I didn't want to turn this into a click-by-click tutorial because I didn't want you to lose the bigger point. But I want to give you a sense for what it's like to use VectorVest as your set of headphones. Now, if you'd like me to do a deeper video showing the details, just let me know in the comments. Just type in the comments that you want more information or a deeper dive video. On the screen as I go through this, I'll show you what I'm talking about. The first thing you want to know is, what's the market doing right now? Is it going up? Is it going down? Getting stronger? Getting weaker? The color guard gives you that information without emotion. I always tell our members that all that stuff going on in the market, the news and all that stuff works its way out in the color guard. Very simply put, it's like a traffic light. Green is good, red is bad, and it's not about what I think should happen in the market. And there's no little man in the back room with some secret agenda. It's all about what is happening right now. And if all you did was buy when it was green in this color guard and not buy when it was red, you'd be a lot better off. Now, the next question that VectorVest helps answer is, where are we in the broader market cycle? Yes, the market trends, right? Hopefully you know that, but maybe if you're new to VectorVest on our channel, you don't know that the market trends, but the market does have trends. It trends up for a while and it trends down for a while. But if we look closer, the market has phases. And if we start from the beginning, VectorVest tells me when the market is bottoming. That's important because I know to be alert and ready for the next phase, which is actually the best and most exciting phase. It's the explosive phase of the market. That's where a big chunk of your yearly gains are made. After that phase, the market enters a trending phase. That's when you're looking to buy good, safe stocks rising in price when the lights are green in that color guard. Now, after that trending phase, next comes the topping phase. This is important to know because it tells you that downside risk outweighs upside potential. You're more cautious about new purchases. Then after that comes the downtrending phase, where you stop buying stocks and you move more to a cash position. Some play the market to the downside when that happens, or just wait for the next explosive phase. You can get all this information from the color guard. using indicators like our buy to sell ratio and MTI, which is our market timing indicator. For example, when the buy to sell ratio falls to very low levels, below 0.20, that tells us and tells you the market may be getting closer to a bottoming area. It doesn't mean just go out there and blindly buy immediately, but it tells us to start paying attention to the possibility of a rally and an explosive rally. Now, on the other side, remember when the market is topping. So we just talked about when the market is getting close to a bottom and bottoming. And now the other side, when the market timing indicator, or our MTI, becomes elevated above 1.5 and definitely above 1.6 on a 0 to 2 scale. So above 1.5 and definitely above 1.6, that's telling us that the market is toppy, for lack of a better term. That's when the downside risk outweighs upside potential. Now, that doesn't mean the market has to crash tomorrow. It means become more cautious. Again, let me know in the comments if you want more detail on this topic. Now, the third thing VectorVest gives is specific entry signals for investors, ranging from aggressive to more prudent. And very quickly, if you're prudent, simply look for a green light in that first column. It's the price column of the color guard on the most recent day. Now, if you're more aggressive, you look for our quicker timing signal called our primary wave. Just make sure it says the word up over in the trend column. There's a lot more we could talk about on this topic, but like I said, I don't want you to lose the main point. Stay informed. Pay attention to what's happening in the world. Yes, definitely pay attention to what's going on in the world. You can have an opinion on what's going on in the world. We all have opinions. We all do. But when it's time to make a decision about your investments, use something that eliminates the market noise. And if you don't have something right now, I highly recommend you consider using VectorVest to help you. At least try it out. At least try it. I'll put a link in the description for you. And of course, if you found the video helpful, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and God willing, I'll see you in the next video. Take care.
Yeah.